Today I wake up at 6. I did yoga and 40 minutes of meditation, and now I'm running in this beautiful morning light. Sometimes it's hard to wake up, but when you do, it feels so good. Hey everyone! I decided to film a vlog, or maybe it's a vlog, maybe it's not, but I wanna show you more than just the painting. So to make this channel a little bit different than it is right now, I wanna share with you all the other things I do. Maybe to inspire you, or to motivate you, or just to make you feel happy or something. I hope I can help in this way. If there is anything which will help you, it's okay, it's great, the mission is complete then. So yes, the purpose behind it is to share with you all the things that I'm doing, because I want to help everyone who's on the same journey, or who wants to make something in life, like not just to follow everybody else, but to make something else, to make something what makes you happy. Because I'm on that journey right now, on that art journey and business journey and many other things. I want to show you a little bit of my life, how it looks, what I do, and how I'm improving myself. I also want to improve myself in filming and editing, which is another thing I love to do. So yes, I hope you will like this videos, and feel free to share your thoughts, what you think, and what can I improve here, because I'm not good in filming those vlogs, and maybe I talk too much, maybe I talk too little, maybe my English is not the best, because my original language is Slovenian, which is different, much different than English, but you can tell me those things where I can also improve myself. So this is it, and enjoy the video. Maybe to start everything, it would be great if I would introduce myself, because in all my videos I didn't tell you my name, I didn't tell you much about myself. Actually, I'm talking just about the paintings. So my name is Gašper Dolinar. It's a Slovenian name. I'm from Slovenia, as I said. And yes, but most of my friends call me Gapi, because it's much easier to say. When I've been traveling, people also called me Gaspar, because in Spain, especially in Spain, they call me Gaspar, but all other people call me Gapi. I also found out, since I'm painting, that those videos can inspire people to grab a chance to express yourself in some way. Maybe it is in writing, in drawing, in painting, whatever it can be, it can help us, because when we find a way to express ourselves, we find a way to open us to true meaning behind our thoughts, behind our problems, our dealing with emotions and everything like that. So I found a way to expressing myself through paintings, which really helped me to connect with the people who maybe have the same issues that I have, or I've got, or like, you know, sometimes we are dealing with things, and when we overcome them, we become stronger, and we gain knowledge on on those things, and when we gain this knowledge we can give to the people who need it. And if we find a way to give this knowledge somehow to the people who need it the most, this is it. This is what we can do, to help others, and that's my mission here. So that's why I also decided to film this kind of vlogs or videos behind the scene, behind the painting time lapses, to tell you more about what I'm doing and about how I came to this point here where I am right now, and how everything that I do helps me to keep moving forward, to stay motivated, to stay inspired, and to where I'm getting the ideas of everything. And also I found out that more I'm painting, the paintings are getting bigger and more like complex. So it took me way much more time than my previous works, which means that those time lapses I can't film it, so I mean I can't publish those videos so frequently that I used, so I can film the painting behind the scene, and when the painting will be finished I will also publish the time-lapse video, which the feedback is getting better and better every day. Also I can see my subscribers are growing. I'm getting every day more comments and messages, which is really great to see that you guys are inspired by the work I'm doing, and I'm so grateful for that. It really keeps me motivated to share my work. It's really great, and I'm so happy for those times which are living in, that we can just put something on the internet and people can see it, and we can connect with the whole world in like a few seconds. This is really great, so I'm really grateful to all of you. So I really hope that I can help you in some way, like I said at the beginning. And I think this is it for today. So thank you for watching it, and yes, you can expect more videos like that from now on. So have a great day and see you in the next one.